Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to track farm expenses in preparation for tax season. Filing taxes can seem complicated and be very overwhelming. When running a farm, you have to fill out a Schedule F tax form when filing your taxes. In this video, we're going to focus on Part 2, which is for farm expenses. Make sure you subscribe if you don't already, because we'll also be posting a video to make tracking farm income very simple. As you can see, there are several categories where your expenses need to go, and separating them out in those categories when preparing your taxes can be a nightmare. That's why we used Google Sheets to create a super simple spreadsheet to track all our expenses throughout the year. Keeping up on a daily, weekly, or even monthly basis will be much easier than doing it all at once. We already have 2022 set up, but when you need to start a new year, just right-click on the template, duplicate it, and rename it for the year you need to track. We're going to show you a quick example of how it works. Let's say you bought some chicken feed at Tractor Supply for $19.99 on January 2nd. Type in the date, what you bought, where you got it, how much it cost, and then click on the category drop-down to select feed. It added $19.99 to the feed category on the right and shows your total expenses for the year to be $19.99. We also threw in this handy mileage tracker. Let's say you drove 20 miles round trip to Tractor Supply. The mileage rate changes every year. In 2022, it's 58.5 cents per mile. So we'll type in 0.585 just this one time for the whole year. It calculates your running total and shows you the amount you'll get to deduct. And now let's say on the 5th of January you ordered 10 baby chicks from Hoover's Hatchery for $50. Type in the information and click on the livestock category. Don't forget to track the mileage when you pick them up from the post office. So what if your business partner came to you with a receipt for some feeders purchased at Tractor Supply from a few weeks ago? Enter in the expense and mileage as usual, and then select all of the purchases from the date to the category. Right-click, go to View More Actions, then click Sort Range. Make sure it says Sort from A to Z, and then click Sort. It will put all of your expenses in chronological order. The same thing can be done for the mileage. We are very transparent with everything we do on our farm, so we're going to show you the report for Rig and Farm for the first few weeks of 2022. Feel free to comment below with any questions you may have about how this spreadsheet works. You may be asking, how can you get this amazing document? Well, we're going to show you. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.patreon.com/rigandfarm. Patreon is a website that allows you to support creators in exchange for cool perks. Our patrons who support us with $5 or more per month gain access to every document we create. Once you join at your preferred level of membership, you can find our post about the farm expense report. Click to download the template and open in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Here you can see some of the other perks you can get by becoming a Rig and Farm patron. You can get early access to our videos, exclusive voting power with polls we post about different things happening on the farm, and you can even name one of our new animals we get on the farm. And just a heads up, we'll be getting 2 farm kittens very soon, so join now to pick a name for one of them. As we mentioned earlier, we'll also be making a farm income tracker soon, so our patrons will also have access to that when it becomes available. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you are able to make tracking your farm expenses much simpler after watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you don't already to keep up with all the happenings here on Rig and Farm. We'll see you next time!